Let's get you over to First Warning meteorologist Marquise Mina. It is Valentine's weekend, so weekend of love. Marquise, how's the forecast shaping up for us?
Well, love will be in the air, warmer temperatures in the forecast, and maybe juniper finding a home this weekend. We'll have it all for you here in Central Florida, including the chance for some much needed rain, but that chance comes with a severe weather threat on Sunday night into your Monday morning. We'll be tracking those showers in just a second, but let's get you fine folks outside and set the scene for what's going to be a beautiful start to your weekend. Notice not a cloud in sight today as temperatures are back in the upper 60s. We have high pressure over the land, and that means we're staying clear today and tomorrow as well. Some of us have already said hello to the 70s, including Sanford, DeLand, 70 on the dot. The warmest place to be currently just past 1118. That's Titusville, 71 degrees across Brevard County. We'll get back into the mid and the upper 70s inland. That's the power of sunshine, ladies and gentlemen, warming temperatures beautifully this afternoon, but we'll stay clear tonight. Notice that we dip down into the 50s by midnight. For your highs this afternoon, look to hit 77 degrees in Orlando. Looks like that's the lucky number. You'll match that in Wildwood, Claremont, Kissimmee, and Bithlo. It may be a touch cooler across the coast. Nevertheless, across the coast today, if you're heading up towards Daytona, we've got the fresh from Florida 250. The race starts at 7:30. Got a couple clouds moving in late, but ultimately you just need a light jacket tonight. Partly cloudy skies will be present as temperatures dip between the upper 40s and the middle of the 50s. Now, we do have a chance for some patchy fog to start off your Saturday morning. That's the combination of high pressure, very light, if not calm winds, and a little bit of moisture in the forecast. So watch out for that patchy fog across I-75, stretching into the I-4 corridor, but that'll lift as temperatures rise pretty quickly coming out the door tomorrow. Highs will be returning to the upper 70s, maybe a couple stray clouds. Nevertheless, though, will be even warmer on Sunday, but it's Sunday night that we'll be watching out for that chance for rain. And the timing is going to be crucial. We have this major event, the Daytona 500, taking place in Volusia County, and we're watching these showers closely with the passing of this next cold front moving in. So as we time it out, the race starts at 2:30. A little bit breezy, certainly warm in the afternoon. Watching radar at 4, I believe the showers will start to move into our westernmost counties, but throughout your Sunday night, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe weather risk. That's a 1 out of 5, a marginal risk in which we'll be watching for this cold front moving in. Notice, though, temperatures in the afternoon on Sunday, those are back in the upper 70s. But with that cold front and also sunset taking place, we're going to lose some of that heating element that will sustain the chance for some stronger storms. So therefore, when we start to see the rain in Daytona around 6, 7 o'clock, cold front moves in, wipes away those warmer temperatures. So it is going to be very crucial, the timing of this front moving in which that'll be the predicting factor for any severe weather. Rainfall accumulation likely between an inch in some isolated areas, but impact weather Sunday night across your Monday morning. And then we're trending a little bit cooler to start off the work week. Look to dip down into the lower 70s with sunshine on Wednesday.